85% of the Amazon FBA sellers believe that Amazon private label is not the right business for them. So what is the reason behind that? Let's discuss the reasons why Amazon FBA is not the right business, or why 85% of the Amazon FBA sellers believe that it's almost dead for them. So the number of reasons that Amazon FBA is not right for them is because of the recession, inflation, increasing shipping cost, manufacturing cost. All these factors are involved in the failure of these sellers. But how it looks like when you are a successful Amazon FBA seller. So let me go to the journey of an Amazon FBA successful seller, and how you can become an Amazon FBA seller, and how you can decide that Amazon FBA is the right business for you. So let's say that you are an Amazon FBA seller and you have succeeded in your Amazon business, you are getting profits out of it. So how your day will look like, or how it will look like to become an Amazon FBA seller. Obviously, many of us want to be the successful Amazon FBA sellers, but obviously not 100% of the people who invest on Amazon FBA are going to be successful. So once you wake up in the morning, you will see your sales, your reviews, and your revenues overall, and see how your account is performing. You will go to the PPC dashboard and see what is your current echoes or daily echoes, or what's your 7 days echoes. You will also see how your profit margins are performing, and if the profits are lower than yesterday or higher than yesterday. So it's all about, checking your Amazon account from your bed, or from your bedroom, or from any place in the world. So all you need to do is just have your laptop with you, or even your mobile phone, because you can download the Amazon Seller Central application from Google Play Store or Apple Store to check your daily sales. Because once you have a successful Amazon FBA business on Amazon, then you can obviously hire a VA, or you can manage yourself. So it is difficult to be a successful seller on Amazon because of all the four reasons that I have mentioned. But it's not impossible if you have proper systems and processes in place to launch your first product on Amazon. So how to negotiate, or how to reduce the chances of failures on Amazon despite having all these concerns. After we have seen a reduction in the COVID cases, or you can say that after we have seen the life coming back to the normal, so now people are purchasing from retail shops, or from other grocery shops. But it's not like e-commerce is getting down, or Amazon FBA is completely dead. But yeah, now you need more money to become a private label successful seller than before. Now all those sellers succeed who have right processes and systems in place for doing their step-by-step procedure to launch their product on Amazon. It's difficult than before, but I would say that it's still possible to be a successful seller. Now aggregators are coming into the market, and they are putting more money on acquiring brands on Amazon. Although they see that COVID is now not there, and the stats of purchasing physically are increasing, or from the retail shops have been increasing, people still love to purchase online. And I love online purchasing. I don't go out many a times to purchase things from retail shops or grocery shops. I love to purchase it from anywhere online. Yeah, so before investing, you have to understand the dynamics of the Amazon FBA business, and you have to calculate each and everything. You have to calculate the risk of this business. Obviously, Amazon private label is a business like any other business. It has the success ratio and the failure ratio, and obviously it is the toughest business on Amazon. I would say there are different models on Amazon, but once you are a successful Amazon private label, you have the real independence of enjoying that business, and it's a great passive income when you have a successful product or a successful Amazon private label business. I still believe that many Amazon FBA sellers struggle to get sales or get profits out of their business because of the main three components, which are product research, product development, and the sourcing stage. Many people are not familiar with how important these stages are, because these stages cover up to 60 to 70% of your business. So if you have a right process of doing going through all these three stages, then obviously you can hire some expert later on in doing the marketing or ranking your product up to the top and make it as a sustainable business. Obviously you can hire someone before as well, but you need to be aware of how to do the proper procedure if you are doing at your own. So I would say that in 2022, do not take much of the risk in common products. Like, I would name few of them. Garlic press, it's so common that it was launched in maybe 2016, 17 or 18, and it got oversaturated in 2020, and still I still see people launching that product on Amazon, and I don't know who those sellers are. You have to see that many Chinese sellers are coming into competition. They are there to do the price wars as well. So you have to take care of each and everything. You have to do great analysis before jumping onto the Amazon business. So if you think that Amazon private label is not the right business for you, even after watching this video, then there are a couple of other models on Amazon as well for you to explore as well, like Amazon online arbitrage, drop shipping, Amazon wholesale, Amazon private label, and then of course there are some models relevant to books as well, like KDP. You can choose KDP as your model. So it all depends on your budget, your financing, your working hours. Now the problem is, many people who jump onto Amazon have already their jobs and they are 9 to 5 job holders, so they do not have the time left to do business on Amazon or do proper research, because after doing the job and coming back to home at 5, who does research and who works properly on like on their sheets or their budget sheets or finding a product, because it becomes hectic at times. So not many people are able to focus on their business properly, and they just launched a product without doing proper research, so they face failure later on. For those people who are having a 9 to 5 job, I would recommend that you should focus on your job and hire some agency like Scale Fortune or maybe some other. There are a lot of good agencies out there who can launch your product on Amazon. So you have to hire some expert to do the job rather than doing it yourself and facing the failure later on. So I would say that explore all the models. Maybe drop shipping suits you, or maybe online arbitrage is best one for you due to your budget limitations. So for Amazon private label, I will obviously say that if you have a good amount of budget in your pocket or savings, I would say, then you should invest on Amazon private label business. End of the day, the future is Amazon private label. You own a brand, you become a brand, you own an equity, and you can make wealth out of it later on. So that's why it's difficult, it's risky, but it's rewarding as well. I hope my video makes some sense to you. Hope to see you in the next video. Please do subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.